Hey guys, so I'm ready to go to the city. It's a freezing Friday today, and the temperature is like 3 degrees, but that's not going to stop me from showing you guys what I'm going to explore today. It's the first time I'm going to this place, so let's go together and see where I'm taking you guys today. Let's go. This is Flinders Station in Melbourne, and this is pretty cool. Changes in color, pretty dynamic.
I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping light.
So guys, so this is the Shrine of Remembrance. There is some background information about this which I'm not going to dive down too much. Let's go and see closer.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed.
So after a short stop at the Shrine of Remembrance, I am going towards where we are supposed to go. So let's go and see where we are going, where I'm taking you guys today. Yes, the Royal Botanical Gardens, that's right, that's why I bought you guys. Spend my $40 here. During the winter season, Melbourne usually has a light show at the Royal Botanical Gardens, and it is $40 for entry, and we will go and see if the $40 is actually worth it or not. So here we go, starts on by saying which is
welcome and greetings from the Wurundjeri people. We are the traditional owners of the land that you are visiting here tonight. We are the sole surviving sovereign clan of the Birrarung, now known as the Yarra River. In our stories, Bunjil, our creator spirit, represented by the great bird of this land, the wedge-tailed eagle. He gave us the land to care for, life to enjoy, and the laws to live by. Wurundjeri people have thrived off this land since the beginning of time. I'd like to acknowledge my elders past for their strength, resilience, and wisdom. Waminjika Wurundjeri. Welcome, Wurundjeri country.
alrighty. We just got past the entrance. Now we're gonna move in to see what we're gonna see. Alright, moving forwards. Oh, some. I think it's sort of a. Nice. This is beautiful. Look at that. Unfortunately, guys, I don't know what this means, but well, it's really beautiful right here. Okay, look what we came across. It's an isolated tree, and there is white light shining on it. It is again a standalone tree. It looks beautiful. This light show is honestly worth it. It is a bit chilly, but it is perfect for a walk like this through the Royal Botanical Gardens. The lights are just beautiful. They are creatively displayed with specific themes, and also the fact that it is blended with nature is so beautiful. And this walk is extremely mind relaxing too, with the choice of music that they've chosen for different themes. So if you're in Melbourne, you should definitely go and witness this light show at the Royal Botanical Gardens. reminds me of something being haunted, and yeah, that color is just nice. I think we're in heaven. This is super beautiful. It changes color here. Um, yeah, look at that. That is very, very colorful. It's all shining on trees, leaves, and branches, and the creativity that they have put into this beautiful artwork is just next level. It was a bit cold, and I thought I should have something to eat, something slightly warm. So there was a cream or creme brulee truck there, and I decided to have a brulee. That was my first time having creme brulee, and it was very tasty. I loved it.
Firefly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone.
Okay, going to try brulee, cream brulee. Pretty tasty. Yeah. Well, it's one of the best brulees. Oh, it's the first time trying, but it's good. Good brulee.
Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Okay, so here are some stalls where you can buy some food. It was getting cold and I was getting more hungry, so I decided to get myself a marshmallow. And this marshmallow was called the blue unicorn marshmallow. So if you go down to the light show during winter, make sure you try a blue unicorn marshmallow. This is actually tasty. I recommend that if you come to the Botanical Gardens and go for this lovely, colorful
Oh, you
light
make me
show.
wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, guys. So I think that ends this this tour or this beautiful, mind-relaxing, colorful walk at the Royal Botanical Gardens. Stay tuned for more explorations like this. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content, and make sure you like the video,
share it amongst your friends and family. Next video should be out in a couple of weeks, and it's going to be another exploration of Melbourne. So stay tuned, take care, and stay safe.